Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from bank card. First, check that you have a bank debit card. You'll need the card to withdraw money from an ATM. If you don't have one yet, you can request to bank app. Once you are logged into the app, go to the supported ATM nearby you. In Hong Kong, you can usually use Jetco ATM, other major bank ATM that accept your card. You can insert the card into the ATM, insert your bank card into the machine, select your preferred language. Now type your 4-digit card PIN. Make sure no one is looking at your screen while you enter. Select the cash withdraw amount. Choose the account if asked. Type the amount of the money you want to withdraw. Make sure it's within your daily withdrawal limit. Then confirm the transaction. The ATM will dispatch your cash, return your card, and print a receipt if you choose. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.